Let's look at our warm-up really quick. We're doing GEMDAS here, Order of Operations. And I'm sure many of you maybe have heard it called PEMDAS, but the P just stands for parentheses. So I like to call it G for grouping symbols. You have parentheses, you have brackets. When you have a large division bar, that's also a grouping symbol required. So example, you've got 3 squared plus 5. All of that is being divided by 25. Like you have to insert this as grouping symbols. So what you need to kind of do is solve the top, solve the bottom. When you get an answer there, let's say the top equals, well, we know it's 14 and the bottom's 25. Now that you've actually figured out the top, then you can finally do that division bar. Okay, so just something to consider as you look at order of operations. So these are all order of operations problems. And we may need to take this to a separate page to be able to complete these. Doesn't seem like there's enough room. All right, this is goal is not to do these in your head. The goal is to do them step by step. So I like to do a GEMDAS tower. M and the D are grouped together in the tower, and the A and the S, addition, subtraction, are grouped together. Because when these are the only operations you have, you just do them left to right. So you don't pick subtraction and do that before you do addition. You don't do division before you do the multiplication. Whenever you have these, you just do them left to right. All right, so anyways, looking at the first problem, we have grouping symbols. So I'm going to identify that and do that first. So 6.7 minus 3.1 is 3.6. So my grouping symbol is gone. I could bring down the 5 squared. I could bring the plus sign down. So grouping symbol gone. Then I look, the next part of my tower, do I have exponents? Yes. I have 5 squared, so that's 25. So I need to do that before I do the addition. So now I'm here. I could do 25 plus 3.6, and that's 28.6. So we had no multiplication, we had no division, we had addition. So that's the GEMDAS tower and doing order of operations. Now let's look at it on the next one. Okay, so grouping symbols, got them again, got to do this first. So the 3, or 0.3 from 0.2 is going to, oh, we're adding these, sorry, never mind. So we have 13.5. So we have 13 and a half, that's done. Now we can bring down the divide by 5. Only one operation, no exponents, no multiplication, only division left. So now we can divide this out, and we're going to get 2 and we're going to get 2 goes into 13 and a half 2 times with a remainder of 3.5 over 5. And then we could just reduce that down. So how many halves go into 3.5 is 7. And how many halves go into 5 is 10. So 2 and 7 tenths is 2.7. That'll be our answer there.